What's up, YouTube? It's boy Marty back again with another video. Today, I'm finna become a truck driver. I stand it. No cap, I'm finna become a truck driver though. Then, well, I don't know what to call it. I ain't did this in a while. I ain't been in the truck in a while, so yeah. You finna hop in there, joint. First, I'm finna show y'all what I'm gonna do before I hop in the little truck. You feel me? So, I like watching the 18-wheeler pass by. But look, y'all like this joint, share, subscribe, comment. Oh man, I feel like a proud dad. I knew it by 7 or something. Like it's school time or something. I don't care though. I'm finna go to work with Granddad. I mean, he ain't gone. I'm standing out here looking like a pine fall. That fuck got a bus outside. Man told me go to Piggly Wiggly, get some pop. And go to the thing, pay for the little phone bill. I'm finna get Granddad right. You go grab my teeth and stuff. Yeah. This ain't be a YouTube video. Cause later on, I'm gonna be showing my Granddad how to drive the truck. Make sure you check the mailbox yesterday. Okay. Yeah. I'll be back. It's here and I need to put my chain on.
Doing something quick.
Oh yeah, I'm with my grandma, right?
But don't listen to her.
No. I gotta go pay some bills. She gonna go get her some money so she can pay some bills too, trying to be like me. Then
I want him to pay my bills too, okay?
And then we talking about when we the 8. I told her, I said this first. I said I ate some chicken. She talking about, I'm like you, I ate some chicken tenders.
I did eat chicken tenders.
She
So
trying to
did.
be
I
like,
had 7 of them. 7 chicken tenders this
she
morning.
trying to be like me.
Yeah.
I had one big piece of chicken. It looked like a 7 chicken tender.
Well, what you said, that was a thick ass piece of chicken too.
Yeah,
That
so
chicken was thicker than a mug.
It was good too.
It looked good yesterday, but I ain't want no chicken yesterday. But it was just something quick this morning. I had to get out the house.
Y'all see she trying to be like me though.
And then you try to put on your black because I got on black.
Y'all know I always wear black. I go to school in black. I go to church in black if I can.
Ain't nobody dead.
Look, she got a black shirt, black pants. I got a black pants, black shoes, black truck. And I got the white shirt. And she got a white shoes. Man,
Black on black crown, y'all. Get this little boy.
We woke up twinning today, y'all.
Hey, we got dressed and got out.
Yeah, I guess we were riding together, so we had to dress like each other.
We gonna fight if they need to.
Yeah.
Look at that pumpkin head woman over there. Oh yeah, stealing. That ain't your shit. Put it down.
Got it. I'll get back at y'all in a little bit. Well, YouTube, we getting in the 18 with them. I'm chilling right now. Oh man. Ain't been in here so long, y'all. Drop my book bag. Water. My chips up there. We in there, John, though.
I'm on the lip, that's it.
Right now, we dumping some beans. Now she real good. Got manual nigga, quick plan. Got the clutch, gas brake. Man, we chilling, cuz. What do you want me to quick with?
Wait till that boom stop.
Oh, okay. Let me close back down.
Hey, you stand over here at the door.
Y'all see though, we are in the slide, nigga. We're not prepared.
Right behind the door, just try to bring that room.
I ain't never been in this joint. He told me to get the broom out though, y'all see. I'll be back at y'all in a little bit though.
That was how I tell you, oh, we might give some weapons something.
Oh yeah.
He come there, tell me up there, where y'all see me, God. I told him about it. I said, he told you, you know, what?
Oh yeah, I do some work for y'all sometime.
I know you work. All I gotta do is find something, you know, that I know you can have.
Yeah, I'll get the job done.
I don't have to worry about you not working. I'm gonna hit it and get it. What's that over there? Be on the inside, on the
Yeah,
outside.
he on the inside.
He got something. I got it. Be out there.
Good.
We ain't worried about it. You don't want this rig.
Nah, he don't want that.
You got your own on. I'm the one running around with no seatbelt.
Yeah, I'm good over here. Yeah, they probably gonna get pulled though.
Yeah, but the boiling wall.
Yeah.
They see him, he gonna be pulled up. Better not have no alcohol or no liquor in there.
Yeah, they ain't gonna play with you.
No, that wall. That turn the light on there, then back in the lit up. When I get past this, I'm gonna get to the left lane, so I wouldn't have nobody above me when I get up and make my turn.
Uh-huh.
Somebody called me, what big dirty said.
Everybody, I told her to call when she get home. Well, I made it back home. I went to work in the slide. I done brushed bean. I got in the truck. I'm finna feed these cats though. It's hot now. I'll probably get in the truck this weekend. I'm finna make a YouTube video idea. Stamp it, no cap, no cap. I'll be right back though, y'all. Matter of fact, I don't got it. I'm gonna be back, yeah. From 18 wheeler to a car. come on, that cook. Oh man, y'all can't even see me, cuz. Hold on, I'm gonna fix it, y'all. Hold on, cuz. I need a little camera thing. Brakes I'll do. How y'all day going? I don't even need them. I'm tweaking. What is this? This rice? Oh wait, they oats in the road. Right now though, I'm chilling, y'all. Bro, I'm gonna have to fix out a little bit. Right now I'm chilling though. Y'all see, I'm driving. Cool, vibing, good. So I'm just like, look, come on, drive by myself. To myself, you know what's up. What y'all got going though? I knew he was gonna let me drive this joint. I just didn't know when. I ain't drove in so long, y'all. Nah, I'm cap. I drove yesterday before I hopped in the 18-wheeler. Yeah, hold on, y'all. How many of y'all want to do that? I'm trying to set the camera up. I swear, man. I would put on side road, but I don't know what's on the road. I ain't gonna count. Oh crap, I'm tripping. Bro, I can't get right with the little junk. I ain't gonna. Snap, bro. Get it in my lap. Riding with the yup. Slap that boy. Hey, cuz, you not finna pad me. I don't know what this brain on. Let me pull right here and bag up. Hit that joint. God dang. Better go crazy in the little Malibu. I mean, I'm parked. Oh, nah. I don't count. It got fast as mud. Don't mind these 2 bumps on my face, bro. My hand was dirty and I ain't I touched my face like a jack. You know what? Like a donkey. You feel me? You feel me, B? Oh, this truck big as a mud. I'm tripping. I'm looking at everything but the road, cuz. I'm looking at different roads. This road. Well, chat, I just drove again. Oh, crap. I'm finna go home now, though. Y'all know what. I'm in the hood, smelling like food. You play with me, I'ma smoke him to the wood. Ooh, that bump. But look though. Finna end the video off. I've been driving stuff all day. I should have showed y'all one thing. Blue plant. It's your boy Marcus. I love y'all. And we out. Peace. Alright, for real.